development of a student. Well, these technical clubs are, it's not a new initiative that we are beginning in our college. In fact, as far as I remember, we used to have a club called Robotics Club. And there are instances where a good number of projects and hands-on development has been given to the students to develop projects and display them in various competitions. But unfortunately, somehow that club did not see further light because of the reasons unknown. So we again thought, why not we begin clubs and ensure that they are being run, without any hindrance. So in this, keeping this in mind, we were waiting for a new academic year to begin. The first year students to to get promoted to second year. And then, I request the participants to please mute your mics. Okay. So, keeping this in mind, as soon as the new academic year has begun, so we brought up this initiative again, and a notification has been sent to all the students asking them to give their ideas. And as this initiative was from the Department of ECE, we initially narrowed down only to the Department of ECE students. And we received a good number of responses from the students. That was very encouraging. And we had to shortlist 5 clubs to begin with. And interestingly or coincidentally, the robotics club, it is now an interdisciplinary club consisting of EEE, EC and CSC students. And it was really a coincidence again to see robotics club come up with a new look and a new teams. So we right now have a robotics club, then learn to code club, and civils club, update to upgrade, use code club, and automation club. And in the long run, we're also expecting a few more clubs like UAV club. Then some of the students, they came up with gaming and coding club, okay, and IoT club. So there are many ideas that are still in the pipeline, and we definitely would like to bring them all on board. So we just want to start with a handful of the clubs and then slowly, take this one step, at a time, and make them a success. So the idea of these technical clubs is to engage students in problem solving and higher order thinking, and also for giving them hands-on and cooperative learning experience. So I do wish all the students would definitely, those interested would enroll in these clubs, and the club course with their members will conduct, a good number of events and march ahead in the path of success. So with these few words, now may I request our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Mallikarjuna Reddy Garu, to speak a few words. Sir, you can please unmute your mic and speak.
First you start inauguration, huh? Then we'll do that.
Okay, sir. Yeah, definitely, sure.
Okay.
So the first team is ready. Robotics Club, Lalasa and the team.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So this is for the, I just want to tell that the club cores are nothing but the, main members of the team. What we have is depending upon the number. They have president, vice president, secretary, and joint secretary, and that has been identified by the students themselves. So I'll now be sharing the presentation of each club will be presenting for a duration of maximum of 10 minutes. They'll be highlighting their club and their activities, what they're going to do, their long and short-term goals. So after each presentation, if anyone is interested to take questions, ask questions, then the club coach will be glad to answer their queries. And after this inaugural is over, we'll be sending out registration forms or enrollment forms to all the students, and those interested, they can enroll in any of the club of their choice. Okay. So I'm sharing the presentation slide of the robotics club. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, you can now begin. Remaining people, please mute your mics, and only the presenter, you kindly unmute and speak. Okay. 10 minutes, right? Please continue.
Can I on the cam, sir?
Yes, you can on your cam. You can. You please turn on your camera. Okay. Right. Please turn on the cameras.
Switch off any ceiling fan. We are getting disturbance.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning to one and all. Respected sir, and all my beloved students.
Lalasa, yeah, Lalasa.
My name and I'm pursuing my secondary studies in BBIT College.
Lalasa, you are not audible.
Lalasa, you are not audible. Will you please, Lalasa?
All my teammates, my
Sir, stop sharing the screen.
Yeah, I've stopped sharing the screen. Lalasa, you are not audible. We can't hear you. Can someone just take over from the team? You're not audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who is taking over now?
Amolya, sir.
Amulya. Okay, right. Lalasa, you can please turn off your mic. Turn off your mic, please. No, there is a disturbance. We are seeing disturbance. Turn off your camera and mic. Okay. Let Amulya speak. Huh? Amulya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can just go ahead. So I'm sharing the screen again.
Okay.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Amolya, representing Robotics Club. As we all know, robotics, it's a trending course and a trending name everywhere where techie is increasing. We thought of presenting what robotic mean in this club. As we all know, it's a machine. Robot is a machine. So making that machine to do all what we want with our hands-on experience. In a brief detail, we have started this club. So can you change slides here? Moving on to the vision. This club is started to facilitate students to understand, design, and learn robotics through hands-on experience, conceptualizing, designing, and programming robots from the basic level, from the root. We'll try our best to provide what many want. This is our vision. So can you change slide, sir? Sir, next slide.
Yeah, I have changed it.
As we all think, robotics is mainly related to technical issues, technical one, but robotics include computer programming and mechanical skills and electrical skills. So this is not only for EC or some other department. Everyone can learn if you have interest in it and consistency to learn it. So we all need your consistent effort to join this club and make this club successful. Uses of robotics, as we all know, it is used where human cannot enter, or where where humans can't enter and make successful events. Sir, next slide, sir. Thank you for listening to this, and we are waiting for you to join this club. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Right. Lala sir, would you like to add a few more points?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, it's audible now. Yeah.
Sir, slides. Could you please show me the slides?
Which one would you like to show? Which one?
First one on notes, sir.
From the first one. Okay. Right.
Yeah. From here, sir.
Right. Okay. Go ahead.
What is robotics? Study of creating intelligent and effective robots is called robotics. Robots are the machines which do work. So robots can do work by themselves and with the help of humans. Next slide. Our vision of our club is to facilitate students to understand, design, and learn robotics, provide interested students with opportunities to express their skills, knowledge, and creativity through conceptualizing, designing, and programming robots to awake the students' hidden passion and show their path to their creative thoughts. Robotics consists of computer science, mechanical, and electrical skills. A robot has to do 3 tasks. 1, perception, decision making, action. Perception is nothing but sensing the surroundings. Here, sensor technology is used. Decision making is nothing but decide what to do. Here, hardware components like microprocessor, microcontrollers will be used. Action. This is the final output and working of the robot. Next slide, sir. Uses of robotics. We are seeing nowadays robotics everywhere around us, like in agriculture purpose for wielding, in medicine purpose for surgery, patient care, in exploration like space exploration, underground exploration, and in military purpose for security, etc. Next slide. Our robotics club main aim is to conduct competitions within the college level and beyond the college level with other colleges. We encourage students and faculty in innovation and generating ideas and product development. We interact with other industries, and here we transport our ideas into prototypes form of for a productivity, and we provide state-of-art facilities to these students so that they can use their full potential in product development. We conduct short seminars and workshops so that we can use it for entrepreneurship and patents. Next slide. Next slide, sir. Curriculum of our club. We have managed our curriculum in step-by-step learning process. Like first, Arduino is an electrical task maker, basic electronics task maker. It is a microcontroller. Next, Raspberry Pi. It is the elder brother version of Arduino. Next, ROS. ROS is the robot operating system, which integrates the sensors. This will be helped by manipulated kinematic, embedded systems, and programming of robotics. Next slide, sir. Next slide. Yeah. Advantages of this club. In every year, national competitions are held throughout India. From our club, students group will represent our college in those competitions. So this will increase our college reputation, and also the students who go to the competition will gain knowledge and also get certified. This will be used for their resume, and that makes them stand out of the crowd. And interesting topic will be like interesting concepts will be added to the international journal so that this will give patent rights to our college and those students. And club is not only for the group of specific peoples, it is for everyone who are interested in robotics. And if we got inspired from our other colleges which are already having existing of robotics clubs in their program, like IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Hyderabad, and other nearby colleges like KLU, WIT, SRM, which are running successfully from many years. Next. Next, sir. Yes. Achievements of other colleges in robotics, like IIT Madras got qualified into journal round in DRDO robotics and unmanned system explanation. Like IIT Kanpur got first place in multi-rotor IARC and first place in international competitions like PLNITH. And IIT Delhi has won international Robocon competition. And KLU has been winner of Indian Skills South 2018. So my goal is to our college also should be one of the part of this representing, win these competitions and get named. Next. Applying our concepts practically by participating in competitions like RoboCup, World Robot Olympiads, race,
ఒక్క నిమిషం హలో సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం
Right. Would you like to continue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. Shall I change the slide?
Slide, sir.
Okay.
So, resources to learn. We have shortlisted the online courses also so that we can learn them in online in these quarantine times, like NPTEL Introduction to Robotics, and our Coursera is also having fabulous courses like UPenn Robotics Specialization, Gorgio Institute of Technology Robotics Specialization, and Stanford course of Manipulated Kinematics, etc. Next slide, sir. And there are also some books, very interesting books for robotics, like Introduction to Robotics by John, and Probabilistic Robotics by Sebastian, and Embedded Systems book, and some of the websites for competitions like robocup.org, websites for Arduino projects like instructables.com, and finally some of the projects which we want to do is bipedaling walking robot, robotic arms, which are used in industries. These are our contact details, and our club advisor is Mr. is Professor B.S.N. Reddy sir. And finally, I thank everyone, Bhanumati sir who supported us, and all the respected staff, faculties, and all the students who are listening to us. Thank you.
Right. Robotics Club, they also have a small video to show. Would you like me to present that, Lalasa?
Yes, sir.
Right. Just stand by. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's not audible.
No, that's what the problem. Never mind. It's only the music,
Sir,
right?
Sir, one suggestion, sir. Stop sharing, and when you are sharing, there is a option, system audio. Just tick on that, sir. Audio will come, sir.
Yeah, this is only the one video we are showing.
Okay.
Okay, and it's hardly 2 minutes. Okay. The background is only music. Right. So, very nicely done, Lalasa and team. So, if there are any questions the club course would like to take from students, would you like to ask any questions? You can unmute your mic and you can ask if you have any questions, if you have any queries. If you again wish to know what are the activities these clubs they go, robotics club want to do, right, how they are going to engage you. So the club course are ready to answer your questions.
Hello, Manasa.
Sir. Yeah, please go ahead.
Manasa, would you like to create ideas and work on that, or whenever there is a competition, you would like to work? You want to keep the repository of the ideas? Could you hear me?
Unmute your mic. Lalas, unmute your mic and speak. Somasekar sir is asking you a question. Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Yeah, Somasekar sir. So he has asked you a question. You have heard him, right?
Yeah.
So
what I'm asking you is, would you like to create some ideas and start working, or whenever there is a competition, would you like to then start working on the ideas? Would you like to keep a repository?
It is not any computational based thing, sir. If we are thinking about ideas, we'll take any problem statements. We want to clear those problems with our solutions, with our ideas, and do projects, sir.
Yeah, and keep them ready. So yes, whenever the competition comes, then you can participate. Would you like to work that model?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Any more questions from participants and students those are interested to know more about robotics, what the club is going to do? Mostly everything has been put in the slides and also in the video. Okay, then So as we're running out of time, if there are no more questions, so thank you, Lalasa and team. Wish you good luck. Okay, right. So you can disable your camera. Please stay back in the meeting room. So now I would like to invite the club course from the next club, that is Learn to Code. Learn to Code club. So Mr. Ravi Kiran, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So let me share your screen. Learn to Code club. So we don't want EC students, to lag behind computer science. Okay, in terms of coding. So EC students should be second to none. So that's the reason why students have launched Learn to Code club. So welcome, and let me share the screen. Right. So is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
you can please go ahead. Maximum 10 minutes, please.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. I appreciate department for launching this innovative idea of technical clubs. I thank HOD sir for giving me this opportunity. Our club name is Learn to Code Club. I'm acting as the president of the club, and M. Chakradhar, he is secretary, and Gopi, he is joint secretary of the club. Next slide, sir. Generally, we get a question why we program. There are many applications in programming. Programming is used in gaming and education purpose, and many software companies, and for inventing many software applications, and programming can also be used in social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. There are many programming languages like basic C language, C++, Java, Python, MATLAB programming, Arduino, R programming, etc. Next slide, sir. The aim of the club is to introduce the concept of computational mathematics in programming. This computational mathematics is doing, in some sense, is doing mathematical problems in a programming language. We as ECU students interested in programming, and we would like to create a club like this based on programming. Any student can join. Any student can join this club. Maybe whether they are from any department. Students are participants are given some tasks and events to participate. They are mostly interesting in the task. Sir, next slide, sir. Here, first, in my first year, I thought that I cannot program like others do. There are many programmers, expert programmers. They are very intelligent in coding than us. I think like that, but later I understood that everyone who has interest in learning programming can code like a professional programmer do. While we can keep practice the programming, we can master the programming. We can use it for our different purposes, maybe finding a job in software industries, or we can start our own company based on software. Yes, sir. Next slide, sir. The main activities of the club are we conduct some level-wise programming based quizzes, workshops, or they can also be based on arithmetic, quant reasoning, etc. Because this computational mathematics mainly involves in mathematics. Yes. Um, so the programmer, every programmer must have some mathematical skills so that they can be an efficient programmer to increase the speed of the input and output operation of a device, maybe a computer or anything, a mobile, etc. So we provide some materials based on the basic programming languages and high-level programming languages like C++, Java, Python, etc. In the future, we will conduct um, within a campus level events or inter-college level competitions. We also conduct a mock test on different mathematical and programming topics given in previous papers of companies recruitment. So next slide, sir. So I invite all the students from every department to join our club. Coding is going to be in almost every sector in the future. Maybe software department can be software industry can rule the world in upcoming future. So we take this club. So everyone is invited, and we encourage the students and faculty for giving some suggestions to improve our club activities, so that the club may become popular and so that club can be run efficiently and can be used to every student. Etc. These are our contact details. You can contact us through WhatsApp, or we have created a Telegram group. You can also message us through the Telegram group. Finally, I thank everyone. I thank HOD sir for giving this opportunity. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Complete.
Right. So yeah, very nicely and simple and clean presentation, Ravi. Wish you good luck. So the objective is, these clubs will continue to run after the students have graduated. Okay, so new members will be promoted as the club course. So the objective is to run these clubs, with new members and with new zeal, okay, new activities every academic year. So if there are any questions, the club course are ready to take. Any suggestions from the faculty or questions from students, questions from faculty will be appreciated.
Sir, one question for me.
Sir, Sawasekar sir, please.
See, now for like robotics, they have mentioned about the various competitions. So what about your club? What are the coding? Is there any coding competitions? Have you? Can you elaborate on that?
Sir, we conduct some quizzes, online quizzes, or we can conduct written test like multiple choice questions or coding questions. Through this, we can improve the knowledge of the students in coding or programming. Based on the member suggestion, we also improve the events. We will add the concepts, programming concepts like array operations, string operations, etc. based on the member suggestions in the upcoming future. Sir, is it clear, sir?
No. Anyway, it's see, coding and all, as far as I know, it has to do with some projects as you work on the projects. That means you take some practical examples and work. Anyway, that we can, as HOD Garu said, it can be improved further. Okay,
Right, exactly, sir. Yeah. Right. It is a collaboration also. You know, the students, they can collaborate. Probably Learn to Code Club can collaborate with Robotics Club. Every club is unique in its own form. So it is not like we are comparing one club with the other. So every club course are given freedom to conduct their own events and how to train the students. So that is how the clubs will progress. Well, each club also has a faculty as a club advisor. Robotics Club,
Yes, sir.
I've
So
heard.
we have.
Yeah, Professor B.S. Reddy Garu is the club advisor, and the club advisor for Learn to Code Club is
Satyakumar, sir.
yeah, Mr. Satyakumar is the club advisor of Learn to Code. So yeah, apart from giving training to students, so the conducting competitions within the college and inviting students from other colleges, Learn to Code Club probably, right? We'll march
Yes, sir.
ahead. So good luck to you, team. So any more questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. Please tell your name and then.
I am Amolya from
Okay.
CSC.
Yeah, please go ahead.
CSC.
Right.
You will be teaching the code or coding in efficient way?
Coding in a, yes. It is like learning coding in using mathematics mainly, like patterns, like different different financial transaction analysis, etc. These all are based on mathematics. So we try to solve them in simple way using mathematical analysis. Not using just a simple programming structure, but by using mathematics. Maybe they may be formula or mathematical approach. This maybe approach means they can be algorithms. Algorithms based on that problem. So that's how we improve the efficiency of the programmer. Coding experience of the person.
Thank you.
Right. That's a very good question posed, and I hope the answer is as per your expectations. Well done, Ravi. Any more questions?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then. If there are no more questions, then thanks, Ravi and team. Wish you good luck. Okay, we are all here with you.
Thank you, sir.
To make our club popular. Okay, along with all other clubs, everyone will be given equal opportunity and weightage. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
So every club is unique. We are not comparing any clubs. Well then, thank you so much. You can just mute your mic and disable your camera. Let me call the next club. So the next club is the Civils Club. So I would like to welcome the club core, president of the club, Uma. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so welcome to the team. Let me share the screen. Just a moment. Okay, is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Please go ahead.
Respected faculty and students, good morning to all. Myself, Uma from 2nd ECE. So I am the president of the club, of the Civils Club. Lavanya, vice president from 2nd ECE. Bhargavi, secretary from 2nd ECE. Sai Teja, joint secretary from 2nd ECE. So our HOD sir and the faculty has inaugurated the VVIT Civils Club. Everyone aspire, but some achieve. But I don't accept it. I wish everyone should succeed from this club. So this is a platform for all the aspirants of civils who want to who want to achieve civil services. It's a way to their success. So civil services is conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. So here civil services contains 3 phases of exams: preliminary test, main exam, personality test. Sir, next slide, sir. So objectives of our club. Our club is to create a platform for students who aim for civils, and also to cater information, knowledge, material needed for civils preparation. Sir, next slide, sir. So activities. Coming to the activities, through this club, we bring awareness to the students about exams and equip the students with needed information and guidance. We conduct classes, mock tests, and to make the session more interesting, we provide some video tutorials related to the civils. We interact with aspirants and let them interact with the civil servants who comes for the classes. Sir, next slide, sir. Coming to the exam pattern, as I have already told, it contains 3 phases. First is preliminary. So in preliminary test, it contains 2 papers, each of 200 marks. This exam is an objective exam with negative marking. So next, mains exam. Whoever qualified in the prelims exam can attend mains exam. Mains exam consists of 9 papers such as essay, etc. And the candidates who have qualified in both prelims and mains can attend an interview for the civil services. So next slide, sir. So dates. The notification is generally released in the month of February, and the prelims exams is conducted in the month of June, followed by the mains exam in the month of September or October, as per the guidance given by UPSC, and the interview in the month of Feb or March. Finally, the result is given in the month of May. The next slide, sir. So why to opt civils? As we know, civil is the most prestigious service in India. These services would bestow a lot of pride and esteem. It is the respectable job of India. So the salary package is equal with the corporate sector. The next slide, sir. Eligibility. Any citizen of India who completed a degree or a doctorate can be eligible for civils exam. For some services such as IES, only one must complete engineering graduation. Sir, next slide, sir. So we are very much grateful to our chairman, sir, for initiating such a prestigious club, and our HOD Bhanumurthy, sir, for giving right direction to our club and aiding us in every phase of its initiation. Our club advisor Venkatesh, sir, from Department of ECE, who has sown the seed of this club in our minds and helped us in every step of its formation. Finally, I thank my club members who have supported me and coordinated all the phases. I hereby thank all the students and the faculty for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you.
So most of the students might also be aspiring for government jobs. So secondary students, they just came up with this idea of why don't we start a civils club and share some material and do some discussion, group study, okay, utilize the time. And it was really encouraging to see secondary students coming up with such a nice club. So any questions from the audience will be much appreciated. Suggestions from the faculty. Sir, Somasekhar sir, you are our guiding force. Your suggestions always are welcome. Somasekhar sir, are you available? So, any questions from students? Would you like to know anything more about how the club activities will be done?
For
Feel
further
free to
queries,
ask.
you can mail us on vbitcivilsclub@gmail.com.
Right.
If you have any doubts.
Right. Okay, that's very good. Wish you good luck, Uma and the team, the club course. For initiating Civils Club. Then the fourth one, update to upgrade, U Squared Club. I would like to invite the club course president of the club, Mr. Mahesh. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me share the screen. Okay, this is visible?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. A pleasant welcome to our delegates, lecturers, staff present here, and warm wishes to my fellow mates. I firstly thank our beloved chairman, Sri Vasireddy Vidyasagar Garu, and our principals, Dr. Y. Mallikarjun Reddy sir and Dr. K. Giribabu sir, and our head of the department, Bhanumurthy sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity and encouraging our thoughts through this platform technical club. I myself, Mahesh Babu, president of this club, and Hanish, vice president of this club, and Prashant, secretary of the club, and Paul Wilson, joint secretary of the club, representing U Square Club, which is an initiative based on giving you technological updates every week. Our club U Square comes through an idea of updating ourselves through upgrading technology. Next slide, sir. Aim of our club. Aim is to get awareness in the students about technology. We all know that there are lots of technologies update coming in the existing technology. So it is our responsibility to utilize these technologies to lead our lives in a smart way. Next slide. Our mission of our club. Our mission is to motivate the students to think in advanced technologies. We also want to extend their thoughts in leading a smart life. And I will hand over to my friend Paul Wilson, and he will share his words.
Thanks, Mahesh. Hello, everyone. This is Paul Wilson. Let us look into the example. Sir, next slide, sir. Yeah. Today, the advanced technology is artificial intelligence, and the booming feature in artificial intelligence is self-driving cars. We know that there are being some progress in self-driving cars, but we don't know about it. So now, for a glance, let's talk about the top 5 self-driving car companies. First is Waymo. Waymo is Google's parent Alphabet's company, and Waymo is in the top because of the feature microphone, which detects siren for some emergency cases, and instead of using LiDAR technology, with using LiDAR technology and radars and sensors. And the second in the list is GM Cruise. GM means General Motors. This comes in the second because of its most body parts are made of deeply integrated materials rather when compared to other companies' cars. And the third is Ford's Argo AI, and Ford is looking forward to take some steps in this self-driving cars too. It has rided about 1 billion kilometers through self-driving cars, and the most awaited name Tesla comes in the fourth. Tesla is founded by Elon Musk, and this comes in the fourth because they don't use LiDAR technology, and rather they use some technologies like ultrasonic radar and 2D camera devices to autonomous the cars. And let's wrap up this list by talking about Baidu. Baidu is a Chinese company, and it is also making progress in web searching like Google. Sir, next slide, sir. We look forward to conduct some activities through our club, and we want to conduct some exciting quizzes and puzzles. We conduct webinars with some useful information for you, and we also provide information out of the box, and we encourage students to think creatively by our quizzes. Sir, next slide, sir. Yeah, the main goal of our club is to enhance students' knowledge on technological updates that are coming day by day, and we request students to encourage our club, and our club is always open for suggestions and students to take part in this initiative. We conclude our words by this, and I thank head of the department, Dr. Y. Balmurthy sir, for giving us this opportunity, and I thank students for listening to us. Hope you encourage our club. Have a nice day. Thank you. And our advisor is Mr. M. Pathsadi sir of EC department. Thank you, sir.
Right. Well, that's a simple and neat presentation, Wilson and Mahesh. So, update to upgrade. Okay, possibly every week. We are also initiating a discussion forum. The club also is initiating a discussion forum in the MS office. Office 65. There is a discussion forum where students and faculty they can discuss on multiple threads. So that forum will be the platform on which this U² club will be mostly using and working upon. Well, any questions from the audience? The club course are ready to take. Anyone would like to ask questions? The faculty members. The word of appreciation also will do good. You can unmute your mic and just appreciate the students, those who came forward to present their ideas and want to implement it as a form of a club involving other students. Well, so if there are no questions, then we'll move to the last one. The final club is the automation club. Okay, headed by Mr. Akash as the president, Haindavi as a vice president, and other club course. So, automation club team, Akash, welcome. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Right. So let me share the screen. A moment. So is this visible now?
Sir, it's visible.
Right. So please go ahead. Yeah.
Well, a very good morning to faculty, principal sir, HOD sir, and enthusiasts who have joined here to know about our club. I would like to start off by thanking our management to come up with this great initiative, and also our HOD and our faculty advisor Krishna Prasad Garu for supporting us. To get into the topic, automation club, we came up with this idea. Me, Akash Daplapudi, president of our club, G. Haindavi, vice president, CH Haindavi, secretary, and Mohan Vamsi, joint secretary. When you hear this automation club, the title of our club, some questions might have popped up in your brain. Let's go through the questions. Next slide, please. Sir, can we go to next slide?
Yeah, I have changed the slide. Are you able to see it?
Yes, it's visible now.
Yeah.
The first question is, what is automation? Automation improves appliances and machines to work by themselves with least human intervention, so that insignificant works can be handled out. Intelligent machines and humans can tackle more significant jobs. Let's take an example of a coffee machine which prepares you coffee by the time you wake up. That would be a great example, right? So the next question is, how do we do that? Sir, next slide, please. So automation is not an easy task. It requires an engineer and a computer. That's two brains. A lot of sensors working together according to the job. Automation includes many technologies intermingled together. So for a coffee machine to prepare you coffee by the time you wake up, let's say you set up your alarm for 6 a.m. in the morning, and your coffee machine turns itself from 10 minutes before you wake up and prepares coffee for you. For this, your mobile phone and your coffee maker should communicate with each other. The next question will be, why should we automate? So next slide, please. The automation, in my opinion, is a very human thing. Humans are using tools to make their works easier for ages. Automation is meant to make those tools smart and intelligent. And I will show you the objective of a club. So next slide. Next slide, please. Okay. The objective of the club is to explore different technological challenges involved in automating a piece of machinery. So automation is the future industry. It will be the next industrial revolution, and it's taking over the technologies. We can see many companies automating their industries by using robots, and also some companies like Tesla and MG are making smart cars and making those more interactive to the user. And we can see Amazon and Google IoT working for us in our homes. And learning these new skill sets will keep students updated to the real world technologies. And according to the automation industry, there are some skills which are like machine learning and IoT. To learn these, our club will work with members to make them learn. Next slide, please. Okay, activities of club. The motto of any club is teach what you know, learn what you don't. The core team of a club will likely to teach very less, but you have to teach yourself by using these discussions, presentations, seminars, debates, and more. So the next slide, please. So we will have a core topic for every month. Like if I take home automation, so you will be intimated that the next month's core topic will be home automation, and the home automation topic will be split into 4 weeks. So first week will be the introduction to what we will be doing for the next 3 weeks, and the second work will be the core, how can we automate the appliances in our home. The next thing will be deep diving into the technologies. So how can we make those automated? So this week 2 and 3 can be like debates or presentations or seminars. For the week 4, it will be like paper or project presentation. So how the members have taken those theory and make it alive like a project. So this will continue with a new topic every month. So next slide. So next slide. So everyone in the club may not be an expert in automation industry, but everyone will get insight and inspiration to learn about automation industry. Next slide, please, sir. So this is our logo for Automation Club, and these are the contact details. For you can take down if you want to question, or do you have any queries. And so next question, next slide. And I thank again for this opportunity, and I thank all the viewers for having patience and listening to me. Thank you.
Right. That was very well presented, Akash. Nice work with the presentation PPT.
Thank you, sir.
So, yeah. Sir, any questions from the faculty or students? Would like to know more about this automation club? Yeah, please go ahead.
Do you
Please.
generate? I am Amolya.
Okay.
Do you generate ideas or give any prototyping hands-on experience, or generate any ideas in our college?
Okay. The club will first give the topic for every month. So if I take vehicle automation as a topic for a month, and for every week we will go deeper in for the next iteration. For the week 1, it will be just scratching the surface, and by the time you reach week 4, you will get deep insights into the topic. So by week 4, you can make small projects. So when you start off, you don't know anything about vehicle automation. By the time you reach week 4, you will be able to make small projects with what you have, like with small computers like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. That's.
Right. Hope that answered your question, Amulya. Sir, one more time, sir, Somasekar, sir, we would like to hear your words before I ask our principal to make his concluding remarks. Let me see other guest faculty who are available here. I remember seeing in the list Srivani madam. Srivani madam, you are there? Okay, she's on hold. Okay, then if there are no further questions, sir, principal sir, thank you so much, sir, for staying back throughout the 1 hour duration. So may I please request you to give your message and concluding remarks, and please say that the clubs have been launched. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir. Please give your concluding remarks and a message to the students, and please say that the clubs have been launched.
Okay. Head of Department, Dr. Bhanumurthy Garu, and Dean of Studies, Dr. K. Giribabu Garu, and my beloved staff members and students. Good afternoon to all. So I am happy that the Department of ECE is inaugurating 5 technical clubs, right, apart from your curriculum. So these are added co-curricular activities, right? So which are going, already we have some of the clubs which are already started. Suppose the robotic club is not a new, because which is already started long back and is also running, right? And some initiations are done by the Dr. M.R.N. Tagore also, that has taken with the robotics club. And the other clubs, there is the coding and automation and civils examination preparation and all these things. So these are now we are going to integrate them right into different the club activities. So it is a very good initiative taken by Dr. Bhanumurthy, and with the coordination of the active student members. So I thank all the students of president, vice president, and members of the clubs, right? And to take this initiation, and I had to continue to do this work, not to stop in middle, or it is not a single day activity, right? Or it is not just to do something and leave it off further. It is not like that. That you had to do in a continuous way, and you had to hand over to the next persons, such that it will be a continually activity will be going on in the department forever, right, one by one. But you had to check up that the department faculty who are coordinating this, right, and they had to make it update always, right, and such that what are the activities are going on all these things. Because this is activities, it is not only pertaining to a EC department, because whatever you have chosen these clubs are interdisciplinary. That means that any student of VVT can add, or any faculty can add in this club, such that with the coordination of all the students and all the members, that you can think and design the innovative ideas of yours and then make them to prototype and wants to make and see that how this prototype can be turned into the product. So as you know that we have already the Innovation Club and Entrepreneurship Development Club, so which is industry related club and headed by Dr. Somsekhar Garg, right? And many activities are done right through the Innovation Club and entrepreneurship development that is under MHRD of Government of India, right? We are getting a lot of the activities right from the MHRD, and also we are getting a lot of projects also. So that you have to integrate with EDC club and innovation club of our college, such that that you can go to the final product. Suppose once you get one small product which is useful for the common people, right, in the society, that you have to think always about that how to use for a common people. That means the marketing strategy is entirely different from the innovation. So innovation is one of the part, but how to take that innovation to the common people is very, very important, right? So suppose if you made a product, if it is very costly, then there is no use, right? So it must be useful to all the people, right, in the society, the common people, right? So you want to do the coding, or you want to do the automation, or you want to do the robotics, or you want to do the drones technology, or you can use the emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, neural networks, artificial neural networks, deep learning, machine learning, computer vision, and there was a lot of emerging technologies are came up, right? And lot of data is available at present, right? Compared to previously. So nowadays you have seen that there are very high speed supercomputers are available, right? NVIDIA computers are available, right? And a lot of data that is you can store in the clouds, right? So by using the clouding technology, there are many industries are there like Amazon, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, right? So like that, there is many clouding platforms are available, and lot of data is also available, right? And you can go to the challenges. So you know that the Kaggle.com, they are giving a challenges right of coding. Google, you can go through that, and also a lot of coding is available in GitHub platforms, right? So you can use this lot of resources are available at present in the internet. So compared to in previous years, right? So using these resources, that you can do a lot of wonders, you can do a lot of things, but only one thing is required is your teamwork is very important. That means that developing of your ideas is very important, right? You want to enter into the field, that means that apart from your curriculum, apart from your studies, then apart from your target, what you are fixing your target after the take that, then you had to do some innovative things, right, to add it to the, your knowledge and all these things. Then you had to do hard work is very, very important. So for that you had to think over that. So it is not just only to discuss, right? To implementation is very, very important, right? So this will be done only with the teamwork, coordination, and also you have to take help from all the faculty that is who knows that technical ideas, and you can go for reviews, right? You can go for competitions, I can go for hackathons and everything like that, right? So so there's a lot of thing is there too, that is you have to work under the clubs, right? A lot of challenges are there, a lot of work that is can be done with the clubs, right? So keeping all these things in your mind, right, in your thing that so I hope that the students of under this club who join all these things will do the work in dedicated, and something we can make some product to come out. That is that outcome-based education now is very important. That you had to see that whatever you did, that you want to show some outcome. So this is the outcome, that is we have to do this about this club. So after 6 months, what happened? After 1 year, what happened? What 2 years, what happened? What is the outcome of the club? That is very, very important. So the publications of outcomes are very important, right? And also that you had to show to the public, right? And such that these are the things that is we achieved like that. So this is very important, right? So with a few words that, right? So I thank all the students who joined here, right? And who made these presentations very clear, right? And I bless all the students, right, to go ahead and do very well, right, in this success, for your success, right? So thank you very much for all these things, staff members and student members who joined here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Please say that the clubs are launched.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so from the principal words, thank you so much, sir, for launching the clubs officially and taking the advice from the principal. I recommend the club course of all the clubs to approach the faculty members who are already experienced in running these clubs, and hopefully the outcomes will be shown, okay, and the progress will be shown in the days to come. Well, thank you so much for everyone for joining the inaugural event. And before I conclude, I'll just remind once again to all the students that the enrollment form, a Google form will be shared, and students, those who are interested, can register for the clubs, and the club activities will commence as soon as the club course are ready with their events. And finally, I thank all the participants for gracing this occasion. I thank the management, Shri Vasadi Vichasagar Garu, for his unwavering support and encouragement to us, to the students and the faculty, to all the VVITians, Krishna sir and Badri Prasad Garu. Thank the principal, Malikesh Reddy Garu, Dean of Academics, Kumar Swami Garu, Dean of Studies, Giribabu Garu, and all the HODs and the faculty members, and all the students for your support and encouragement. Thank you so much. Thanks for all for joining. So we will meet very frequently on different platforms under different clubs and see how they are progressing. Wish you all good luck. Thank you. And I'm closing this meeting. Bye-bye.